G'day, I'm Ryan from Hoselink, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your premium Ned Kelly Starter Kit. Screw the tap connector into your tap. If the tap outlet seems too big, remove the reducer and try again. Next, you'll need to fit your hose end connectors. First, cut the hose straight, like this. Next, put the yellow nut over the hose, like this. Attach the white split ring, making sure it is flush with the end of the hose. To help soften the end of the hose, dip the first 2 centimetres into boiling water, wait 15 seconds, push the hose over the stem and push against a hard surface until the hose reaches the base of the fitting. Once the hose has reached the base of the fitting, attach the yellow nut and tighten. To connect the hose to the tap, line up the white lugs, push and turn your bottom hand to the right. Next, you'll need to fit the hose end connector to the other end of the hose using the same process. Now screw the accessory swivel connector into the base of the spray gun. If you are having trouble, screw in reverse until you hear a click and then screw forward. Finally, to connect the hose to the spray gun, line up the white lugs, press together and turn the bottom fitting to the right. And just like that, you're done.